Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about what is pricing and different methods of the pricing. These methods usually called as pricing strategies also. So here firstly we will take the what is the meaning of the pricing. Price is a market value of the product in a particular time at a particular market. So here price is the market value of the product. Here what you need to understand in the sense, if you go and ask a product price, they will tell that this particular good day biscuit packet 10 rupees. That is the price. So cost is different. Cost in the sense actual expenditure incurred to produce a particular product. To make that particular product, how much amount they have spent. For example, they spend 4 rupees to make that particular biscuit packet. So that 4 rupees is the cost of the product. The market value is nothing but the price of the product. Here what you need to remember in the sense, profit is equals to the difference between price and the cost. Today in this particular session, an interesting point, that is the pricing methods and strategies we are going to discuss. Generally speaking, most of the organization success is based on the pricing only. How these prices are there, now we are going to see one by one.
Done.
Pricing methods and strategies. So here generally price is fixed on the basis of the four important methods. They are cost based pricing, next one competition based pricing, third one demand oriented pricing, and finally strategy based pricing.
Start.
First one, if you take this cost based pricing, cost based pricing,
Start.
cost based pricing in the sense, on the basis of the cost of the product, generally price is fixed. There are two types of the things will be there. First one is cost plus pricing, and second one is the marginal cost pricing. If you take the first one, cost plus pricing, first of all, initially we need to calculate the cost of the product. For that, we should add some markup. So, cost plus markup is equals to price of the product. Markup refers the profit. Generally, in the retail organizations, retail things, retail shops area, they will apply the particularly cost plus pricing. Next to that, here marginal cost pricing is there. Marginal cost pricing in the sense, marginal cost is a cost which can produce an additional unit. So generally, for example, company is producing the 1,000 products. So if they are going to produce one more product, then that one more product price is there. No, that price should be fixed as the price of the product. Generally, this type of the marginal cost prices won't be appear in the real world. So next to that, here main content area, after cost plus pricing, second one competition based pricing is there. So competition based pricing in the sense, first one sealed bid pricing, and second one going rate pricing. So sealed bid pricing in the sense, sealed bid price is a price which is not fixed by the particular entrepreneur or owner of that one. For example, government want to construct a building. Government want to construct a building. So in for that, they used to give the notification, that means tender notification in the newspaper. Whoever want to that particular tender, all the people can quote their quotations for that building. After stipulated period, they are inviting, that means all the quotators are inviting for the in the office, then they will open every sealed cover. Finally, whoever, that means quoted for the lower price, for them government used to be released, government used to be awarded that particular one. That means this is the sealed bid pricing. So here not only this, we can take gold auctions. Whenever some people used to, that means keep their gold in the banks, after due to some reasons they are unable to take back them. For such type of ornaments, banks used to, that means go for the auction. In such cases, the bank rate is there. This is the particular ornament rate is 45,000. Likewise, they used to tell. So whoever has the interest, that people, some people may tell that 50 rupees, some people may tell that 50,000 and 55,000. Likewise, auction will be there. Whoever quotes higher, those people will be awarded that particular ornament. This is the sealed bid pricing. Next here, going rate pricing is there. Going rate pricing in the sense, nothing is there. Price is not fixed by these people. Price is fixed by these outsiders, outright circumstances. For example, you can take the gold prices. Gold prices not fixed by the sellers. That is fixed by the other organization, other things. So these all the people need to follow that pricing. So this is nothing but the gold. That means going rate pricing. Next to that here, third one, demand oriented. Demand oriented pricing can be divided into price discrimination and perceived value pricing. Price discrimination means for the same product there are two different, that means not only two different prices will be fixed. For example, you can take the movie theaters. In the movie theaters area, same movie will place, but different prices are going to charge from the particular viewers. Similarly, you can take some other examples. You can take the auto charges or any other cab charges. If it is the auto charge in the sense, daytime in the sense, one charge will be there. If it is the night time in the sense, that charge is going to increase, because that is the odd time, there is no availability of the other thing. Not only that one, if you want to buy a kilo apples, the price is different. If you want to buy 50 kilos or 100 kilos, the price is different. So likewise, the prices used to be changed on the basis of the situation. This is nothing but the price discrimination. So next to that here, perceived value price will be there. So here perceived value price in the sense, price is fixed on the basis of the opinions of the customers. For this, people used to go, that means conduct the survey, then collect the opinions of from the customers. On the basis of that, price used to be fixed. Here, last one, that is the strategy based pricing. So this is the most important and widely used method. So in the strategy based pricing area, first one, market skimming. Market skimming in the sense, initially the prices of the product used to be fixed very high, later gradually the prices used to be decreased. For example, you can take the inferior goods like ladies wear, clips, glittering products will be there. Clips, glittering products will be there. What is going to happen there in the sense, initially those are very glittering, people used to buy or showing interest on that particular product. At that moment, each clip price might be very high. Once it is that means circulated into the market. After customers used it, if they know that that particular clip is not that much quality, automatically people trying to stop to buy that one. Immediately they will reduce the price. Not only that one, you can take the Ariel powder. Ariel powder initially for small and pack they have charged 4.5 rupees. That means 10 to 15 years back. Later, that means they dazzled the customer. Later, customers came to know that that is also a similar product like others. Immediately, they have reduced the price. Again, customers keep on continuing it. Again, they have reduced the price. So, likewise, high first initially fixing the price very high, then gradually used to decrease the price. These prices generally will be appear for the inferior products and the these type of the things. Next to that here, penetration pricing, right? Market penetration. Market penetration means initially the prices of the product used to be fixed very low, then slowly they used to increase the product. So whenever superior quality products are there, or whenever good quality products are there, such type of the people used to be release that product with the lower prices. So penetration pricing example, if you take Hammam soap, initially they have released that soap for the very low price, like a lower brands. Then slowly they have increased the price. Finally, it reaches their top end model, like because of their quality. So this is about the market penetration. Market skimming in the sense high to low. Market penetration in the sense low to high. This is the one of the most important strategies which are used by the companies. Next to that here, peak load pricing. Peak load pricing in the sense, this is the very important pricing. Why the RTC is getting the losses, why one private travel is getting the abnormal profits in the sense because of the peak load pricing. Whenever demand is there for their products, immediately the prices of that product might be increased. For example, in this particular transport example you can take, based on the charges, based on the customer movements, the private travels used to be fix their prices. But in bus, all people may not have similar price. Whoever booked 10 days back, their price is very, that means low. Whoever booked the same ticket 1 hour back, their price might be very high. Based on the demand, slowly keep on increasing the price. Not only that one, all airlines also following the peak load pricing only. Suppose if you want to go to the Chennai to the Mumbai, we can go with the 2000 rupees. If we book too many days before, if you want to go immediately, we need to pay 10 to 15,000 rupees based on the time duration, based on the availability of the seats. They used to increase the price. So at the similarly, if you take the RTC, that type of chances are there because RTC started for the people's sake. That's why generally RTC is getting the losses. Next to that here, last one, that is bundled pricing. Bundled pricing means, for example, you can take the car. Car in the sense, car includes the AC and other accessories which are required for that. And similarly, if we take the computer in the sense, we need to buy the first monitor, next to that CPU and their content, RAM capacities and all the things, keyboard and mouse, likewise different accessories. So how the people used to fix the price of that computer in the sense, not by individually this one. They will tell that this is the package, we are going to provide this one for this particular pricing. Not only that, you can take the travel packages will be there. So 3 nights and 2 days trip will be there for 25,000 rupees each. So this package includes all aspects. All aspects means, for example, transportation aspect will be included in that particular area. Next here, hotel rooms and food and local transport, likewise different transport activities, and of all the costs will be involved in that particular 25,000 rupees package. So here, based on the customer requirement, they themselves will calculate all the things and will announce to the people as a bundle to satisfy the requirements of the customer. So automatically it will be most beneficial to the customer. So this is about the bundle pricing. So these are all the methods are there. All the methods are there, different or unique features. So different business people used to select different aspects. Retailers used to select the cost plus pricing. Similarly, you can take the government want to give the tenders, they want to select the sealed bill pricing. For example, electronic goods sellers, for example, like computers people, computer sellers used to select the bundled pricing. Transportation people used to select the peak load pricing. So different people will select different pricing methods, whichever is feasible for them. So all are having their uniqueness. Thank you.